How to fix Microsoft Authenticator app not working on your new phone. So if you have also just bought a new phone and you have successfully downloaded the Authenticator application and for some reason it's not working properly, then in that case what you need to do is just head over to your settings on your device. So once you're inside your settings, scroll all the way down until you see the apps section and simply tap on that, and from over here just search in for the Authenticator application. So once you locate the Microsoft Authenticator application, just scroll down and click on its storage option and make sure to clear all the cache and clear all the data from over here. So you may have to re-log in with your login credentials when you reopen the application, and your error should be successfully fixed. And if it's still not fixing, just make sure by simply heading over to Play Store and simply searching for Authenticator application and make sure you have successfully updated if there's any update available to fix the bugs or issues regarding the application itself. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.